Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert calendar invites into marketing emails in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to open a marketing email by going over to Marketing and clicking on Email. Once you have done that, you should be able to see all the emails that you have available. You can either create a new email or open an existing one by clicking on the Edit option. Do take note that you need to choose Regular for a one-time send or Automated for workflow-driven options. Adding calendar invites improves engagement, reduces no-shows, and helps recipients save events instantly. This small step creates clarity around timing, location, reminders, and expectations. Now you need to prepare the calendar invite file. You can create an event first on your calendar and then export it as an ICS file. Back in the email editor, select the content block where you want to add the invite. For example, you can use a button. Once it's done, review and save your changes. So that's all there is today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.